Hey people, D-Man here, and today, as you can see, I have a brand new Blizzard from Dairy Queen. This is their new Pecan Pie Blizzard. Now, they also have a Pumpkin Pie Blizzard, but I don't really like Pumpkin Pie, so I never got it. But I got the Pecan Pie, and my sister got the Pumpkin Pie, and she said the Pumpkin Pie was pretty good. So I got the Pecan Pie, and I'm going to take a bite and see what it tastes like, and then make a little review. So let's see. Okay. Not the best. Not the best at all. I'll be right back after I'm finished. But so far, not the best.
Just remind you to subscribe, hit that bell, like, comment, share this video, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok down below.
So I'm done the Pecan Pie Blizzard, and I gotta say, it was okay. To be honest, pecans are nuts, obviously, and I haven't had them for a while, and I got the taste back, I guess. And not the best nuts. So not the best nuts, but it's okay still, I guess, so it's not like horrible. Would I recommend getting this? I don't know, do you like pecans? Then I'd get it, but yes. If you don't, then no. If you want to try it, then sure. That's about it, though. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, like, comment, and share. Hit that bell notification. That's the best way to keep my channel. Link down below to my Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. And as always, friends, stay sane. Peace.
Just remind you to subscribe, hit that bell, like, comment, and share this video, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok down below.
Shadow, my baby, I love you so much. You're my baby. And you love to sleep in the bathtub. 'Cause you're a weirdo. Shadow, look over here, buddy. Look over here.